Hey y'all, welcome back once again. It's been a while, but I'm back. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we're making some spicy melon ginger chicken. So let's get into the video. For this recipe you're going to need melon, ginger, I have salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, I have some Old Bay, black pepper, butter, maple syrup to cut down on the heat. We have some Valentino sauce here, and we have some jerk seasoning of some sort there. So let's get into the video. First we're going to blend our melon and our ginger together so we can have that puree, and we're going to strain it in our saucepan. So we're just going to cut up the melon and the ginger and just add a tip of water and puree. I've already seasoned my chicken and air fried it. You can check out my other videos to see how I season chicken or air fried. And so there I'm cutting up my ginger. And for those who don't remember, who don't have the time, we just season our chicken with our normal seasonings and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the air fryer. And once that is done, then we make this sauce that you see I'm doing here. And there I'm blending it until it's done. So first we're going to be adding our half a stick of butter. I'm just going to let that melt. So now that it's melted, we're going to pour in our puree that we have made, our ginger and melon. And you see I'm straining it here so we don't get all that pulp in. And then we're going to be adding a little maple syrup, a little hot sauce here. This is just the Valentino Mexican sauce. And then we're going to be adding some jerk seasoning, just a little bit to give it that flavor. And then we're coming in now with our powdered seasoning. So this is the black pepper, Old Bay, some smoked paprika, then signature garlic and onion powder, and since we used unsalted butter, we can add a little bit of salt. And then we're just going to mix these together and let it come to a nice consistency to be poured over our chicken wings or whatever you have, chicken legs or chicken. So we'll come back once this has simmered some. After about 5 minutes, this is the consistency that it has. So which can be a little bit thicker, but this should be ideal depending on how much chicken you have. So this is the sauce. And once I'm done pouring it on my chicken, I'll let you guys see it, and then we're gonna sprinkle some parsley on top for the nice color and nice flavor. This is the finished product here. I'm going to show you something else here. You'll know it's ready. It coats the spoon like you see here. So once it's done, now we're going to pour our sauce over my air fried chicken that I cooked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until golden brown, and I flip the chicken. I turn it over every 5 to 7 minutes in my air fryer to get this nice golden brown, and you just want the sauce to completely coat your chicken. And look at the goodness there. It smells so good in here. I know you're gonna enjoy it, so make sure you leave a comment in the comment section to let me know how it turned out for you and how you like the flavor. You can omit the spice if you're not a spicy person or you don't like spice on your food. And look at the goodness of our chicken in that melon ginger sauce. So delicious. So delicious. I had to bring it back again so you guys can see the goodness. It smells so good and tastes so good, and I paired it up with some rice and vegetable to make a complete dish. Remember to subscribe, like, turn on that notification. See you on the next one.